In this video, we will show you how to replace your front bumper air deflector. On the Chevy Tahoe, this will be located along the bottom of your front bumper. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's make our way underneath the corner of the vehicle. Start disconnecting your fog lamp. We're going to use an angled pick for this and remove the wiring harness. Give it a quick check for corrosion, and you can set that wiring aside. Now, once you have that out of the way, continue on to your two 10mm headed mounting nuts. As you remove this one, keep in mind there's nothing else holding the fog lamp assembly into the lower air deflector. Now we can remove the fog lamp assembly. Now that we have one side of the fog lamps out of there, continue on doing the same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Once you have both of your fog lamp assemblies out of the way, make your way all the way around the lower air deflector. You're going to find that you have 13 of these push clips to be removed. To remove them, you can use a small screwdriver or a trim tool. Start removing the center first. Once you have the center out of place, it should be unlocked, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. Now I'll continue all the way to the center, leaving the center in place, and then make my way over to the other side and do the same thing. There should be one right here. All right, at this point we have every one of these clips out of here aside from the center one. So as we remove the center, keep in mind there's nothing holding this in place. Don't let it fall and potentially hurt you. Let's get that out of there. Remove your lower air deflector. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new air deflector. We're going to take this and slide it into position. Once you have it in position, go ahead and start putting in each one of those push clips. We're going to start with the outer portion first and then lock it in place using the center. All right, now we'll do the same on the other side of the vehicle. Let's get ready to install our fog lamp assemblies. You'll find on the back side of the assembly itself, you have two studs where your two mounting nuts are supposed to go. You also have this little wing nut down here. That's to adjust the beam on the fog lamp. Let's take this and put it in place from the front of the air deflector. Slide it right on through. Start on each of your two mounting nuts and snug them up. Once you're sure both of those are tight, continue on with your wiring harness. Make sure you have the little locking tab facing down while you slide it into place. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Do the same exact thing on the other side of the vehicle. Okay friends, once you got everything back together, make sure you test the fog lamp functionality. Aside from that, Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.